Balita.
Ito, nagdadagwat lang.
Thank you. Mamaya ko lang to ha. Hirapan namin dyan. Tag mo sa akin yung program para alam ko yung ito.
Hindi ako makain ng dire-diretso. Kakain ko tayo kasama.
Relax lang.
Address dito kay Gen Power Dinginin.
Sorry po.
Pag OR po kay Gen Power Dinginin.
Diyan po ipapangalan. Hindi po dito, dito po. Yeah.
Magkaiba po kasi.
Magkaiba po kasi.
Ano po yung ilalagay sa
Si Dinginin.
Ito po, lahat po yun. Yan
Gen
po lang.
Power Dinginin.
Lahat po to.
Opo, ito po yung name, ito po yung address, tin, tsaka po yung business style.
The whole place burst to the ground. As in, for example, there was nothing but ashes left, and we recorded. It's a blessing in disguise. So it was very good. Satellite space, and we broadcast from here via satellite. Somebody invented the internet, so we decided, okay, we'll start streaming, and we. NBC president was a founding member and chairman of ASC for a long time, we can do it in maybe a week and a half. So yeah, it trims it down significantly. They're very scholastic in the ASC, and we keep on telling our clients, no, they're human. Just talk to them. It'll be fine. They're like, no. They say it's too difficult. So we say, okay, we'll talk. And bing, bang, boom, and it's done. And it's very convenient. Sure, absolutely. Have a seat. And I'm gonna need your phones
Yeah, ano tayo?
for a photo. Yeah. Picture mo. Ano ba lang ganyan?
Pwede, sir. Gusto mo mo, sir?
What's our news
Para
today?
kita yung
You know what? If it wasn't a Liwan, we would put you behind the microphone, we'd put you behind the desk, we'd have you read the news live. Kaso, because all the equipment is being moved all over the place so much, they can't do it. Next.
Airdrop later.
So,
Next.
Sir, absent ka ako dun eh. Nasa Jerm ako. Isa pa po. Wait,
When did you open your
okay,
new
1, 2, 3.
a year, you're not 2 years.
Ako rin. Ako rin lang.
Ito na gamitin natin.
Oo. Alan. Video to, video. Pang ilalagay ko sa vlog.
And we want to use it with you, but we want to use it ourselves. We have an anniversary. We need an AVP. Can you do it? Yes. You can do all of that kind of thing. So educational, anniversaries, launches. Yes.
We used to watch Animal Festival 5-7 years ago.
We're doing it this time with rubber boots because it's raining. But next
Ganda ng
year
mga
they say
gamit.
the studio goes back to
Parang
April.
Disneyland to sa
So
Pampanga.
better. So it'll be dry.
This program was also
No, we just chose we made it digital. So we have the dance, Reina, float, bazaar. Those are the 4 categories. So what happened was pandemic came around and the only survivor was the Aliwan Fiesta digital meeting. Because we have like 200 stations around the country. We have our station managers. Hear every otot?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, that's true. But you know what they say? Share and share alike. Share the smell.
Go.
Share the share the
Photo
sounds.
Let's take a photo.
So I will.
No, please.
We have a pornographer.
Kuya. Siya yung pinaka-boss dito.
Yeah.
Okay, mga tatlo Corpcom.
Corpcom.
Yata sa mga
Photographer, sir.
Right here. There you go.
Walang join.
This is Rachel. Rachel,
Yeah.
it's pornography time.
Oh my God.
This kind of setup would imply like a very, you know what?
Sir,
Sige na kayo, sir.
Tagalog na lang.
I was trying to say the right word about pornography. Pornography.
Yes.
Like the brutality.
No, there's a little bit. A red room. This is
Dito ka.
You should confront
Punta ka muna dito.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1.
It's no fun if you don't stand in front of the microphones and put the headphones. So, yan.
Pwede ba tayo mag-ano dito? Mag-drama?
Sir,
And then you have to put on the headphones and then... Ganyan.
sir, can I get a picture of you with them?
Kung saan bibida si Nancy at si Edgar. Si Nancy ay si Laurice Tamayo. Tamayo, simulan natin ang kwento ngayong hapon na ito.
Nancy, Han, ayos ka lang ba?
Ay, no.
Bakit naman? May problem ka ba? Tell me.
Napapansin ko, madalas kayong magkasama ni Sandra. Bakit ba masyado kayong close na dalawa?
Hindi ba naikwento ko naman sa iyo ang dahilan na dati kami magkaibigan nung nasa bahay ampunan pa kaming pareho?
Pero kasi, Iba yung nakikita ko sa inyong dalawa.
Pati ba naman si Sandra pagseselosan mo? Nancy naman, lahat na lang yata ng babaeng lumalapit sa akin pinag-iisipan mo ng masama.
Talagang hindi ko maiwasang mag-isip ng masama, lalo na't may history ka.
History ng ano? Isusumbat mo na naman sa akin yung pagkakamali ko dati? Akala ko ba nagkapatawaran na tayo?
Mukha kasing bumabalik na naman yung dati mong ugali.
Please, Nancy, tama na. Huwag mong pag-isipan ng masama si Sandra.
Siguro nga kaibigan lang ang tingin mo kay Sandra, pero ang babaeng yun, sigurado ka bang kaibigan lang ang tingin niya sa'yo? Edgar, babae din ako. Alam ko kung ang isang babae may gusto sa isang
Stop
lalaki.
it, okay?
Okay, sige. Titigil na ako. Pero ayoko nang makitang magkasama pa kayo ng babaeng yun.
Wow, yung magic. Yun, no? How are you? That's good. That's
Sir, next will present lang po kung ano pa talaga yung Zoe Broadcasting.
Ayan, sige. Sino po ang... Si Sir Arcel, kanina. Kayo po pinaka-boss nila ngayon. Pinakamataas. Pero the chairman or the president is...
Ang president po namin is Aldo Ramos.
Sir?
Aldo Ramos.
Aldo Ramos. I'll just mention it to our general manager. In fact, for general manager and vice president, Sir Rene Gonzalez, is the one managing Zoe Broadcasting Network. Our vision keeper and founder, Brother Eddie Villanueva. Our president, chairman, and CEO, Attorney Sherwin Tungna, which is right now the vice mayor of Bukawi, Bulacan. Para lang po may background po kayo na yung mga boss namin wala dito. Nasa Kongreso, nasa Bukawi. So si Serene lang po talaga ang si Senator Joel naman Senado. So medyo busy po sa politika ang aming mga boss dito sa Zoe. And then kami po mga napagkatiwalaan. So si Miss Annie, under na department ko po, I'm handling different things here, programming, sales, and marketing.
ballpen po.
Parang fresh ako dyan.
Isa si Paulson.
Iba na. Ito yun. Kahit po sa amin ng time ni...
Ano ba kung isa naman ako? Pinasa ko naman.
So, last week lang po kami.
Yes, sir. May programa pa rin naman sila ng... May programa mga... Yung baga para siyang dance.
Sige pa, sige pa. Naiwan na lang po kasi mag-service na.
Friday.
Pag may photo ka sa video, doon yung ginamit ng stage mo. So, hindi ba kami sa photo? Yung ginamit, yung profile, pinapakalan nila. Yung sa radyo CSR, ginamit mo. Pag-log daw nila sa social media. Okay na ba yung gamit? Yung ginamit ng stage mo.
Ayos naman po. Siya pala yung nag-governor, si Romana. Go!
Much more suited or like better for you at the end. And of course, like, I know it sounds cliche, but keep dreaming and believe in yourself and in your brand, because I swear, if once you believe in yourself and your brand, you can accomplish a lot of things and no one can stop you. So keep believing in yourself. Yeah.
Let me say, when you wake up in the morning, what is the first positive idea that comes for? Alam mo, ngayong umaga, mag-wake ka sa neighbors yun.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think it's best to like when you have to listen to your body. Like if it's like, oh, it's feeling like
Inaano ko lang. Haba na exposure mo sa vlog ko. Day 3 H&M last day. Yan lang, puro pambabae itong napuntahan natin ha.
Thank you.
Dahil sira ang sapatos ni Jeps, syempre bibili tayo. Simple solution to simple problem. Alan, how to be you, sir? Litag, ni Alan.
Gusto ko sana mag-complain.
Ano pong complain niyo?
Complain ko lang po sana yung si Miss Lavis Tamayo.
Bakit siya ito-complain ng ginawa sa'yo?
Kasi po, masyado na po siyang madaming kinakalaban.
Kinakalaban mo?
Sa aming baluarte.
Saan po ba yung baluarte niyo? Pag
pinaghinalaaan na rin po na siya ang bumoto ng at siya rin po yung nag-worst sa survey ng Congress. Nagbigay ng worst feedback. Based po dun sa data and analysis na natanggap namin. That's all.
I read the pangalan ako, Chefs. Welcome to